I used to listen to
before. All right, sir. I'm going to get to what I call my rapid fire round. Now, I think many in the room are familiar. I do a rapid fire round on my talk show, Coffee with Karan, that sometimes gets me into little trouble. Very rarely, actually. It's more often these days. But I would like to play this little game with you. It's called the rapid fire round. So I give you 60 seconds, and with all due respect, if you can answer these very quickly and as truthfully as possible, you win nothing but the applause of everyone in this room. I don't have my hamper with me, but it's called the rapid fire round, and I'd love to do this with you, with your permission. 60 seconds, sir.
Shoot.
Now that you told me you haven't seen any movies, so I wonder what the answer to this will be. But who is your favorite movie star?
Difficult to say.
Favorite actor?
At my earlier days, I used to enjoy the movies of Sharmila Tagore, Madhavi. I forgot the name of the stars, and excuse my memory, but that was a Roman holiday. I enjoyed it very much.
So favorite actress would be Sharmila Tagore?
Sharmila Tagore, Madhavi.
All right, okay. And no actor?
Of course, Uttam Kumar.
Uttam Kumar. All right, so all right.
And Suchitra Sen.
And Suchitra Sen. Anyone out of Bengal, sir, that you like?
Hardly anybody. I have a lot of brilliant actors are there.
Yes.
But my knowledge, as I told you, is extremely limited. That's why I can't say.
All right. So we'll go with Uttam Kumar, Suchitra Sen and Sharmila Tagore then. Very well done. What inspires Pranab Mukherjee?
You know, if you speak of, as I told you in my rural background, I thought a lot of things had to be done.
Yes.
I joined as a college lecturer, beginning of my profession, and thereafter I was involved in politics. Of course, the background was there. My father was in politics. He was a freedom fighter, but that was the different scenario.
Right.
I was brought up in post-independent India. So a lot of things I wanted to do, and I thought that public life would help me to do, but I am not quite sure now at the fag end of my life. This is my 76th birthday. That how much I have achieved.
Know in the house that it's Mr. Mukherjee's birthday today.
I don't know how much I have achieved.
Well, you've achieved a lot, sir, and happy birthday.
Let people judge it, not me.
No, there are the young Turks somewhere around here, I'm sure, but I'm sure they're all very inspired by your achievement and work. Will Rahul Gandhi be the next Prime Minister of India?
Probably.
Probably. All right, we like that.
After all, the people of India have to decide. It is a big democracy.
You'd be happy with that decision?
Of course.
All right. If not politics, what would you have done in your life?
I would have continued to be a teacher.
A teacher.
Teaching professor.
Well, that's great to hear. What's the big feature of next year's budget? I'm not going to get an answer, am I?
No, you won't get. You shall have to wait till 28th February.
All right, we have to wait and watch. All right, please complete the sentence. Coalition politics is like?
I won't say it is a madhouse.
All right, okay, we'll stick to that. What's the one secret in your diary that you haven't told anyone yet, not even your daughter?
Everything. What I write is my reflection, and that's why I keep it
a secret.
Well guarded.
Well guarded.
Nobody is expected to go through it.
All right, yes. Well, we respect that totally. What's the secret to your excellent equation with leaders of the opposition?
I respect everybody. I do not know whether I have excellent relations or not, but I respect everybody's views, though not necessarily I agree with.
Right.
But I do not believe that what I say is the final or that's the only answer to any problem. I always think that there are other sides which you try to accommodate and which you, at least we should respect.
Well, it is a democracy, and adapting to all thought processes is what we're all about. Thank you, sir. You did exceedingly well in my rapid fire round.
I don't know. As
I said, I don't have a hand prop, but we can give you the applause. And we have another surprise for you. We conducted a poll that if I had to direct the life and times of Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, who would be the apt lead for that film? Let's have a look at what people had to say.
Bush or Boman Irani?
Manoj Bajpayee could be a good choice.
I'll prefer Anupam Kher for that.
Mithun Chakravarti, I believe. Maybe Nana Patekar, perhaps.
I guess Nicolas Cage.
Maybe Shah Rukh Khan. Maybe Amitabh Bachchan.
I think the only person I can think of is Amir Khan.
Paresh Rawal. Pranab Mukherjee would be like Salman Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Boman Irani. Amir Khan.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Amir Khan because he fits into the film. Nana Patekar.
Abhishek Bachchan.
Amir Khan.
Paresh Rawal.
To Sanjay Dutt. At present, nobody is eligible to do role of Pranab Mukherjee.
I think Shekhar Suman should be a good candidate.
Well,